Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create rotating CD effect on Instagram story. Adding music to your Instagram content lets you grab attention and keep people watching your story longer by incorporating popular music clips or just your favorite tunes. The Instagram music sticker is one of the many stickers options offered like polls, questions, JFs, etc. to spice up your Instagram stories. However, this sticker lets you easily add musical accompaniment to your Instagram story. Here's an example of what the Instagram music sticker might look like. There are 6 visual stickers and an audio-only option for adding a music feature to your photo or video story. 4 options place lyrics on the screen, while 2 show off the album art. You also can select which part of the song you want to play, allowing you to strategically pick the lyrics that accompany your story. Access the music sticker by tapping the music note icon at the top of the screen in your story customization dashboard or by opening the full stickers page and select the music option. Tap the music icon. Once you create your story, tap the stickers icon next to it, explore other sticker options. Then choose your music. You can also browse popular themes and songs or use the search bar to find a specific song. If you viewed other posts on Instagram, you can save the songs they use to access later. Then, choose your sticker design. Once you've chosen the song, you have 7 different stickers designed to choose from in 3 different categories. First, audio only, song lyrics, album cover art. But for the CD, tap on the last icon. Settle on your sticker design, resize it and drag it around the screen until you place where you want it. Then, you've added music to your Instagram story in 4 simple steps. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.